Okay, it feels like for the first time in ages that we've had a bit of sunshine. It's still very, very cold though. Storm Dennis and Storm Kiara have really done a number on the nation these last couple of weeks, and I thought I'd quickly nip down, do a quick video and show you where we're at and how things are doing. So far, the only damage I can see are these pallets here, which have blown over. I just stood them up, so that's fair enough. I'm going to use those pallets to make these beds here. This is quite interesting. I usually leave a bucket out to see how much rainfall we get, and this bucket is filled up completely, so that just goes to show how much water we've received in the last couple of weeks and a half or so. The rhubarb is looking pretty good, I have to say. It's lovely and green. I can't wait to pick this, hopefully make some rhubarb gin for the first time, and maybe try out some more recipes. The raspberries are doing very well. They've survived the winter, and hopefully they'll survive the frost. There's some new shoots there, which I'm pleased to see. I think these raspberries here are Autumn Bliss, if my memory serves me correctly, and then those are the spring raspberries. Moving on, these beds here are completely dormant. This bed I did cover with leaves from the autumn to add a bit of nutrients. This bed has just been a bit of a store for wood, and I've been breaking up pallets sporadically. We see a bucket has gone AWOL just there, and this is the plum tree, and it looks like there's some shoots here, which is nice to see. I'm hoping that will give off some more buds and some more flowers. This will need some pruning in the spring. The mulch has kept the weeds down really, really well, which I'm glad to see. Moving on to this side now. The other week I did finish making all the beds, and I'm in two minds whether to make two smaller beds here to match this side, or whether to just grass it over for now until I've got a bit more wood. We'll see. So yeah, this side's still a bit of a work in progress. I was thinking to cut the grass, but the grass everything's so wet and so soft at the moment, so I think we're going to have to just let that grow and just cut it when everything's a bit sort of nicer. But I seeded this grass last year and it's come up a treat. I'm glad to see. So there we have it. Not too much damage, thank goodness. I'll keep you posted. I'm meant to do a call to action now, apparently, according to YouTube people. So comment, subscribe, and yeah, hope to see you in the next video.